Humran bin Aban states that every day he would place water for Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu ablution, and Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu would always take a bath with it as well. And Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu said, after completing this prayer, Misar says that he meant that Asr prayer. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I could not decide whether I should tell you a thing or keep silent. The companions radiyallahu anhum submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, if it is better for us, narrate it. If it is otherwise, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam then know better. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, the Muslim who performs the ablution perfectly as Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has prescribed and performs all 5 prayers, those prayers will become an expiation of the sins he committed between these prayers. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 545.